Hi there guys and girls, good evening to each every one of you. How are you all doing? I hope you are doing fine. Yes, it's one lovely evening. Thank you Lord for all the blessings that you gave, for all the trials and challenges that I surpassed. Shout out to my mother in Bicol, headed by my mother shout out to my mother in Bicol, Fea Mordo, and Helen Careto. And hi to all my first viewers who never get tired of my masterpieces. Thank you so much each every one of you, and to all my silent subscribers out there, hi. And to all my Facebook viewers, to all my followers out there, hello, how are you all doing? And who else? To each every one of you, okay? Of course, I shouldn't be forgot my 12 lovely countries. Of course, number 1, Philippines, followed by United States on the second spot, rather, and still on the 3rd spot, Japan, and on the 4th, Indonesia, Canada on 5th, 6th, Myanmar. Oh, from 3rd spot they went down to 6 spots. 6th spot, okay. And hold on. And on the 7th, Malaysia. 8th, United Kingdom, followed on the 9th spot, Saudi Arabia, and on the 10th, India, and the last but not, second to the last, 11th, United Arab Emirates, and the last but not the least, 12th spot, Italy. Hi guys, congratulate me because I have another milestone on my YouTube channel. I had reached the 11,000 subscribers. Congratulations each every one of you. How I wish all of you are watching my channel, okay? And what else should I'm gonna say? Thank you so much for the love and affection that you give on my channel. And don't worry, I still have this adrenaline, and even though sometimes it's some kind of a tiring and exhausting, but still I'm gonna continue my passion here on my YouTube channel, and I will never get tired for as long as I can. And I have lots of uploads for you to share and for you to watch. So please stay tuned, okay? Once again, thank you so much to each every one of you, to all my 11,000 plus subscribers. Thank you. Stay tuned and keep on watching, and please browse my old videos and love it, feel it, embrace it, enjoy it, and share it as always, okay? Yes, precisely, absolutely, definitely. Thank you so much each every one of you. Once again, happy 11,000 subscribers. Godspeed and take good care as always, and remember, stay focused and be a keen observer to your surroundings, to those people that you are talking to, who are you engaging. So be a wise as always, be a smart one. You know what, as I can read the news and saw the news here on the platform that lots of crimes left and right, very rampant. So please be aware and do not fooled by other people around, okay? Also, that will be all for now. Once again, thank you so much, and congratulations to each every one of us for having the 11,000 subscribers here in YouTube. Thank you so much. Bye. Celebrate good times, come on. Celebrations. Celebrate good times, come on. Thank you. Bye.